How to fix YouTube not working. Is YouTube not loading or functioning properly? Let's troubleshoot the problem together. Ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Sometimes simply restarting the app or your device can resolve temporary glitches. Check for updates in your device's app store. An outdated app version can cause functionality issues. Clearing the app's cache and data can help eliminate corrupted files that may be causing the problem. With these steps, YouTube should be up and running smoothly again. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.